So the question is, can you explain Azure Availability Sets? To understand Azure Availability Sets, we first need to understand the concept of a fault domain. As you know, Azure data centers contain many physical server racks. Each rack has its own power source and network switches that support physical hosts and storage where Azure VMs run. If a rack loses power or network connectivity, all hosts and storage in that rack become unavailable. Because of this, each rack is considered a fault domain. Azure Availability Sets support up to 3 fault domains depending on the region. Next, we need to understand the concept of an update domain. As you know, Azure regularly performs maintenance on physical hosts and storage. To minimize customer impact, Azure groups physical hosts across multiple racks into update domains. Azure updates one update domain at a time, which temporarily makes physical hosts in that update domain unavailable. After completing updates on one domain, Azure waits at least 30 minutes before moving to the next. Azure Availability Sets support up to 20 update domains. To use an availability set, you must create the availability set first, then create Azure VMs inside that availability set. Azure will automatically distribute the VMs across the available fault domains and update domains to improve the availability of the set. For example, if we create an availability set in this setup, which has 3 fault domains and 5 update domains, then create 5 VMs inside the availability set, Azure will distribute the VMs like this. As you can see, if any rack in this setup is down, then up to 2 VMs inside the set are down. When Azure performs update in any update domain in the setup, then only one VMs in the availability set is temporarily unavailable.